In PMBOK 7th edition, project management standards will be principle based rather than process based. There are PMBOK knowledge areas in 6th and previous editions, and each knowledge area had a set of processes, inputs, tools, techniques, and outputs. These processes will not be available in PMBOK Guide 7th edition. Instead, there will be 12 principles that would be generally accepted and practiced in project management. While the current and previous PMBOK editions were focused on deliverables, the evolving project dynamics focus on overall project outcomes. So the new PMBOK 7 will be focusing on outcomes rather than deliverables. Principles for a profession serve as foundational guidelines for strategy, decision making, and problem solving. Professional standards and methodologies are often based on principles. In some professions, principles serve as laws or rules and are therefore prescriptive in nature. The principles of project management are not prescriptive in nature. They are intended to guide the behavior of people involved in projects. They are broadly based, so there are many ways individuals and organizations can maintain alignment with the principles. Principles can, but do not necessarily reflect morals. A code of ethics is related to morals. A code of ethics for a profession can be adopted by an individual or profession to establish expectations for moral conduct. The PMI Code of Ethics in Professional Conduct is based on four values that were determined as most important to the project management community. And they are responsibility, respect, fairness, and honesty. The 12 principles of project management are aligned with the values identified in the PMI Code of Ethics and Professional Conduct. They do not follow the same format and they are not duplicative, rather, the principles and the Code of Ethics are complementary.